Question. Jump rope versus running. Which one will give you a better workout? What do you think is better than the other, jump rope or running? Before I get ahead of myself, let me answer specific questions about jumping rope versus running. Is jumping rope good cardio? Absolutely. If you've jumped rope for just a few minutes, you'll understand how challenging it is. Just a few minutes will have you huffing and puffing, and that's because it engages more muscle than running does. Why jumping rope is safer and more effective. Jumping rope prevents the joint forces you would be subject to, with heel strike running by forcing you to land on your toes and use the untapped power in the calves and the combined power of the quads, hamstrings, glutes, and core. Benefits of jump rope versus running. Number 1, it's effective. Forget spending an hour on the treadmill for the sake of your cardio routine. All you need is a few minutes of jumping rope. The benefit of jumping rope for 10 minutes per day has proved to be just as effective in cardiovascular health and caloric expenditure as running for 30 minutes. Number 2, it's low impact. There's no question that running is great for your cardiovascular health, but one thing it's not so good for is your joints. When done correctly, jumping rope can be a lower impact on the joints than running. It is an excellent way for runners to train on off days to build ankle stability and even prevent shin splints. Number 3, it's excellent for strengthening. Jumping rope isolates the muscles in your calves and quads. Repetitive bouncing on the balls of your feet strengthens these areas with every swing of the string. Plus, it's an excellent warm-up for the rest of your muscle-building routine. Jump roping is similar to running the 300 to 800 meter in track, and when paired with strength training, may lead to more significant results, says Joey Cifelli, a master trainer at Crunch Gym in New York City. Number 4, it improves speed, agility, balance, and coordination. Need some extra work on speed? Grab a jump rope. Do it for 3 minutes or less for multiple sets across. It engages the 2 types of muscle fibers. Jump rope is more effective than running for individuals focusing on quick twitch facilitation. Need proof? There's a reason why jump ropes are such a long-standing staple in boxing gyms. And if you've ever tried jumping rope for yourself, you know that it's not exactly an easy feat. How to jump rope. Before you add a jump rope into your routine, you must know what you're doing. A proper form is critical. Practice without the rope and get into the proper position, says trainer Amanda Klutz in a recent episode of Well Plus Goods the Right Way. Jumping rope is a rhythm. The rope hits, you jump. So your foot rhythm and your hand rhythm have to be the same. Jump ropes have long been a staple on the playground, but as an adult, it's a good idea to put them at the forefront of your fitness routine, especially if you're a runner. The 2 workouts go hand in hand for building your best possible cardio routine, and when it comes to choosing between jump rope versus running, you'll benefit from embracing both. If you like our video, hit the like and subscribe button to our channel so you don't miss any future videos. Here are 2 more videos on your screen you should check out. They will help you achieve your health and fitness goals. See you in the next video.